So I put back everything. Now let's try it. There you go. We're back to normal. Okay guys, so this is a follow-up video on the first one I did. Few months after everything that I replaced, the unit still went back bad. So quickly, the way it works is that once you remove your unit, so you have to watch the first video to understand how to disassemble all those things. So one thing you can do before to replace the device, okay, you want to check if there is no build up. The connections are from this side over here. When you pull down on this side connection here, sometimes you see the green inside here, that lets you know that there is a problem with the connection. So what you have to do, you grab a cap of alcohol, 90%, 90 degrees or something, alcohol. You grab one and then you fill with alcohol. All you got to do next is to plunge, and you leave this one soak inside for at least like a 1-2 hours. And after you brush it, you make you pay attention to brush with that alcohol. And here also you will remove the connections. Let me take this for you. You're gonna remove the connections, and the box itself, okay, has some clamps. So the clamps, the hook are over here, you see. So you have to push this one up. You push this one up also right here in the middle, and you push this one up, you see, right here. So when you push those three up, you will be able to remove the board, and then you will have to clean the board, okay. You clean the connections right on the bottom here. You will clean all the connections. You want to watch the first video, but this is a follow-up. Once you're done so, you also remove the part over here, and you're gonna clean that also the same way with alcohol. And when this is done, you connect everything, and you will be, I think you will be good. Most of the time it's like a build-up from the moisture that prevents the communication between this interface and the unit. So F2, E2 is all about communication issue between this interface, user interface, and the unit. So first thing first, clean up clean your connections before you replace it. If you clean up and it doesn't work, then you can replace it. Other than that, you should solve your problem just by cleaning up. So here we are. I clean up everything, and there you go. We're good. It works great, and that's what you want. So that's how you solve quickly your issue E2 F2 by cleaning up the connectors. And I hope the video helped you. Subscribe. Bye bye.